This video is going to cover a common requirement. Like I built my little report in here, so I got my heading, I got my sort fields, my measures, I got one across field, so I got a bunch of things in here. So, but actually looking at my data, I got some product data in here, I got some year data in here, so I got a bunch of things. I don't have any information about my country in the report. So, meaning actually, where's my store that I'm selling to? So, I got store business region and I got country. So, very common thing is I adding a filter in here. I can filter now on North America and I can run that report because that specific field is not in the report. There's no way to see that this report is filtered on North America. So, how to fix that one? I don't want it. I want it to be dynamic, and I also might have more than just one thing. I might also have the business region, the sub business region in here. How to display that one? I can add the amper variables in here, which is kind of annoying and time consuming. Or the best solution is there's a feature in WebFOCUS called the syntax components in here that can be put into heading and footing. And there's one called request filter. If you want to use it, make sure you don't add the dot in here. That doesn't belong to the command. So take it, go back to your report, and simply paste it in the heading. So we can add filter, request filters in here. So if I now run that specific report, you now see, hey, that one was filtered for the store business region equals North America. So you see, it's only the North American filter displayed in here. That's because I didn't filter it on the second thing here. If I add something in here like Canada, Mexico, and Southeast, and I run it again, I also get the second filter now. So it's the first filter for business reach for the store business region, and I get one for the sub region in here. So I got those two filters. So the two filters that I added into my report here are displayed on the report. You can work on the filtering and the design of the filter a little bit more if you want to. If I don't have any filters, so let me remove the filters, or actually I can also set them to be select everything. So it's going to be that one, or I can clear it actually, which is easier. So it's the all filter. If I have that all filter thing in here and I run my report, it's going to display, hey, there's no filter currently active in the report or no filters used in the request. So nice and easy way to get the filter value displayed in the report. If I go back to my document, by the way, that's the creating reports in WebFOCUS language manual. So in here, you're going to see there's the request filter, which is going to show the where statements. There's one verb, the verb objects, which is going to show you all the fields in the request. There's one for the sort keys. There's one for the by keys. So sort keys is by and across. By key is only by. Across is only across. The horizontal sorting. There's the verb object content and the sort keys context. There's a nice sample in here showing you the heading and the output in here. So you're going to see, I'm not going to build it into my live report, but I'm going to show you what's happening here. So you're going to see a display object shows you the measures. The sort fields show you all the sort fields, being in that case product category being the by field and the customer business region being the across field, versus by only showing the by, across only showing the across, filters showing you the active filters, display commands is going to show you cost of good and revenue. So again, it's quite similar to the display objects. It's just adding that right thing here. So sort phrases is going to get you the full combined sort, which is going to be the by, including the subtotal argument in here, and it's going to get you the across, including the information that there's a across total in the report. So it's a little bit more detailed. So the first ones are the most important to my experience. So the first few in here are the ones I'm usually using in the report. Again, if you're looking for the manual, it's going to be the manual. I'll move to the first page, zoom out a little bit. So there we go. I want to zoom out, not in. So it's a manual called Creating Reports with IBI WebFOCUS language. So that's the manual you're going to need to do what we just did. Have fun.